This tutorial is for attendees only. To register for PWX, visit apwa.org/PWX. On the event page, look for the Register for PWX button and click it. This will take you to the login page. Can't locate your username or password? Scan this QR code and watch our quick tutorial. Need to register for an APWA account? Scan this QR code for simple step-by-step instructions. Please note, you cannot register multiple people at once. Each attendee will need their own individual login to ensure correct member status and pricing are applied, as well as ensure each attendee personally agrees to the terms and conditions. To register multiple people, scan this QR code and fill out the linked form and email it to webreg@signup-confirmation.com. We will then verify member status, register each individual, and send out links for payment or provide an invoice if paying via check. Once you've logged in, proceed to Step 2. Under Attendee Information, you will see several fields, some of which may be locked because they pull directly from your APWA account. Please be sure to include your mobile phone number and add an emergency contact name and number so we can reach someone on your behalf in case of an emergency. If you see the word Household under your organization, please update it to your correct organization's name. Review this page carefully and then continue. For this next step, you will select your registration type. You can select full conference registration, a single day pass, or a combination of days. Single day options include a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday for a one-day pass. You may also see options for exhibit hall only access if you only wish to visit the exhibits. Choose the option that best fits you and then click Next. If you notice your account doesn't seem to be triggering the right pricing, for example, you believe you're a member but see non-member rates, please email member services at apwa.org for assistance before completing your registration. Next, you'll be asked to complete demographic questions. This information helps APWA understand who attends our events and improve future programming. Answer the questions as accurately as you can, then accept the terms and agreement before hitting checkout. For the final step, you'll select your payment method. You can pay by credit card or purchase order. If you're paying by purchase order, enter the purchase order number in the required field and then follow the instructions on the page to send your check to the designated Chicago P.O. Box. Once your payment details are entered, review everything carefully and submit your registration. After you submit, you'll receive a confirmation email, which also serves as your invoice and receipt. This email will be sent to the email address associated with the registration and will come from no-reply@customreg.com. If you don't see it in your inbox, please check your junk or spam folder.